When cutting beef for a stir fry, the goal is to cut it into even pieces that are thin enough to cook quickly. Starting with a skirt steak, hanger steak, flank steak, or flat meat, begin by trimming off all of the tough silver skin and excess fat with a sharp chef's knife or boning knife. With your knife blade facing outward, poke the tip of the knife underneath the fat and cut through to create a flap. Lift this flap with your free hand, then cut under the fat in the opposite direction to completely remove it. Next, align the beef so that the grain is parallel with your knife blade and cut the steak into strips about 2 to 3 inches wide. Then, working with one strip at a time and holding your knife at a 45 to 30 degree angle from the cutting board, slice each strip on the bias against the grain into slices about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick. The easiest way to do this is to hold the cut surface steady with your free hand and slowly pull your knife blade backwards from heel to tip in one smooth, even stroke. If you're having trouble doing this, try placing the meat in the freezer for about 10 minutes to firm up its structure.